So before starting anything on this video, I want to do a live withdrawal of this amount, this 12.37 USD here. So if you click on it, you will see where they ask me to withdraw. All I have to do now is to click on enter the amount that I want to withdraw, which is $12.37, which is the actual amount that I'm having on my account, and then select ERC20. I don't need ERC20 due to transfer charges. So if I click on transfer out now, it's gonna load up a bit and give me the required details, wallet address and everything. So after adding the required information for me to withdraw, if I click on this place that says confirm now, so as you can see now, the withdrawal have been done. And if you go over to my transfer, my record of withdrawal and withdrawal, you will see that this is my third time withdrawing from this particular platform, and the two times withdrawal I've done on this particular platform, around more than $30, around $31 something cents, have been successful so far. So let's wait for this particular one to complete before continuing the video. If you're someone that loves making money online, or you want to make money online, or you are looking for a way to make money online and you have tried so many ways and nothing is working for you, a lot of YouTube videos have deceived you and every other thing in between, don't worry, you are in the right place. If you go over to my videos, you will see what I show on these videos are what I do, what the things that work for me. I normally show live withdrawals on my videos, so I know how it feels for someone to deceive you just to watch his video and burn your data. So as a Nigerians, we know how much data costs and we manage and value our data subscription. But don't worry, when you watch my video, as far as you have to do the things I do on the video, I guarantee you success on my video. So all you have to do is to just go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Click on subscribe button and turn on notification so that you get notified anytime I drop any new update. And you can go ahead and check out my other videos on the things I make video. I don't like scamming people and I hate it when people scam me. So I think you're in the right channel where you need to get right information for updates. So subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Let's dive into the main video of the day. So after some hours, I went to my Trust wallet and I found out that the withdrawal was successful, and as you can see over here, I received the same amount, $12.37 USDT on my wallet, and the same thing was confirmed on the site. As you can see, this is my third withdrawal, which, as I told you guys, and it is successful. And look at it over here, I don't have any single money on my active wallet again. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this LODT, LTD, LODT platform where people make money online. You guys know me, just like I said, I made videos on things that have worked for me. I showed you guys live withdrawal. I'm not someone that told you guys go and do this. So it's very simple. All you have to do is to follow the link in the description to sign up to this particular update. It's very simple, it's very nice. All you have to do is to do the same thing that I'm doing. As a new user, for those of you that are new users on this particular platform, all you have to do is to go ahead to this place that says market, and then you will see a miner for you, a robot for you that is gonna be a free robot. I think it's gonna be on top of here. It's gonna be a free robot. So once you're done activating it, you have to activate it for free, and it's going to be generating revenue for you. But bear it in mind that you cannot withdraw without buying a paid robot. So what's a paid robot? All these ones, this one costs 45,000 USDT, but that is not the one that we are going to go for. The least here is 60 USDT. But don't worry, there is a one that I'm using. Let me show you guys the one that I'm using. If you go over to my robots and team now, you see that I'm using the one called LVT800. Let it load. LVT800. So that is the one I'm using, and it costed me only 29 USDT. And later on, they stopped the LUDT 800. Stop it. But right now, if you go over to the announcement, I think, let me look for where they announced it, that the LVT800 in response to the global workers, LUDT 800, which is the one that is very cheaper, that people that they have reactivated it for us. So they said that they have reactivated. So for those of you that are new users, if you go over to market now, you will see the LUD whatever 800. I don't know what they call it. So let me not do mistake. LUVT 800. That is the miner that I'm using. It cost me only 29 USDT to start it up. So, and remember, after 90 days, your capital is gonna come back to you. So every day you are gonna be getting maximum of 2.1 USDT from this particular robot, and so far so good. I've gotten more than it on it, so I placed withdrawal. But for those of you that are signed up to this particular update and have been using it for a long time, just like I'm doing, by now you must have gotten more than that, around even more than 50 USDT here on your reward wallet. Little reward wallet is where the money you make from your robot comes from. So by now you must have made with the free one, you must have made more than $50 on your reward wallet. What I will advise you to do now is to deposit that 29 USDT and buy that LUT 800 robot. So once you're done buying it, you can withdraw from that thing. But remember, the reward wallet, you can only withdraw 50% of whatever you have from it. So as I'm having $22, $0.22 here, all I have to do is to enter half of it and it will go. So how do you start working? Let's assume that you have bought the robot. The next thing you have to do is to click on this place that says robot, my robot, and then the only thing that is required from you is to click on this place, this green icon here, and once you click on it, it will start working for you. So for the next hours, how many hours? For some hours coming, for the next 239 minutes, the robot will keep on working for you, and after it's done working, it's gonna give you the revenue, which is what I'm gonna show you guys once this work is done. So after some hours, I went back to my account. So I want you guys to observe something first. If you look at this plate that it says reward wallet, you will see that I'm currently having 0.62 cents. That is 62 cents on my reward wallet. This is what I got from this particular place that it says invitation reward. This invitation reward, any person that you invite, let's go over to the invitation here for you to see what I'm saying. Any person that you invite, you get $6. Sorry for that. You get $6 for each referrals, and that is how I got up to this $1,866.8 US, and it's going down and it's going up depending on the amount of referral I have. And I think one of my downlines activated the level of the bots that I'm using. This particular bot that I'm using, one of my downlines activated it. So I'm now getting revenue from this invitation reward because I now have an active member. So that is how I will earn from this thing. If you get referrals, you'll be earning from them also. So if you go back to my robot, because I think my robot must have finished my work now. As you can see now, the work is totally done. So if I click on this place now, it will give me revenue of the work. So as you can see now, my asset now, that is my reward wallet, have been upgraded from 60 cents to 2.42 cents, which anytime that I want to withdraw, I need to transfer it to active wallet. Look at it over here, active wallet. And bear it in mind that anything that you get, if you want to transfer it, it is 50% of it. That is one of the bad news in it. It's gonna be 50%. So if you make $12 on it, it's gonna be $6 that you get from it. You see, that is how the platform works. But it's okay, it's paying and it's paying good. And remember, I told you guys, if you are one of my downlines that have been using this platform, I think you are in a gain, because if you buy any if you go ahead and buy the miner now and activate your wallet, you can withdraw from this reward wallet to active wallet, and when you withdraw that 50%, it will still be above the money that you deposited, and you can instantly withdraw it without without charges. After they have taken 50% from your reward wallet to active wallet, you can withdraw it without charges. So this is how the platform works. And also remember, you can also withdraw free from this particular place, where I wish when this circle reach 100. So I think they are doing a countdown for me. But if you want to make money from this particular update, you need to deposit. Go ahead and make sure that you buy this level, this LVT 800 robot. Remember, your money is gonna come back to your account after 90 days. But bear it in mind, as Weekend is not in any way financial advice. So I think I've shown you guys how to withdraw. And in case you want to deposit is very, very simple. Click on this place now and enter the amount of deposit that you want to make. Enter the money and make sure you select TLC20, not ERC20. Select TLC20 like this. Then enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. See it, enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw, as in it will show you the levels available. Enter the amount of the level that you want to withdraw. So once you're done with it, it will generate a wallet address for you. Deposit that place and activate your money. Remember, they says the opening of LVT 800 is in response of the global blah 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 blah. So they say that this particular robot now that I'm using, they have activated it again. So it's now another opportunity for you to go ahead and activate it. Remember, minimum withdrawal is 12 USDT and there's no charges for withdrawal. I hope I showed you guys everything you need to know about this particular platform. So as for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.